At the river walk right now, and we found some birds, some little ducklings. Hi! Ah, it zoomed in. They're like kind of far away, but we're like eating right now. Eating a Mexican restaurant. There's some ducklings over there. They're really cute. Oh, they're like right there. They're right there.
It's like at the fair, you just pick one. See what you get at the bottom.
Seriously, right there. Oh my gosh. 1 second. Oh, they're so cute. I didn't get a picture. It's one of the boats. This is the river walk in San Antonio, Texas.
It's a lot of fun. You should come and visit. And tell them about the Green River. It's not normally.
Oh yeah, it's not normally. So, because of the lighting, it's like looks kind of like a creekish green, but they just colored it green because of St. Patrick's Day. Some ducks over there. You can see them.
Yeah.
It goes on for miles. There's so many little stores. The river walk.